Namaskar. I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. In a nation brimming with untapped potential, the government's One Nation, One Subscription initiative promises to turn the tide for India's researchers, students, and faculty members, providing them with unprecedented access to global knowledge without financial barriers. It's not just an initiative, it's a gateway to future where every researcher, regardless of their institution or location, can access the information they need to innovate and excel. As of January 1st, the One Nation, One Subscription scheme has opened doors to a library of over 13,000 global journal publishers, offering free access to every higher education institution, government research institute, and their students and faculty members. In a country where research is often constrained by budget limitations and limited access to resources, this initiative is a game changer. Historically, Indian institutions have spent an enormous sum on journal subscriptions. In 2018 alone, the nation spent 1,500 crore rupees on electronic and print journals. However, despite these expenditures, many crucial journals remained out of reach for the most. This inequality left many researchers scrambling for access to the latest studies and publications, further hindering progress in various fields. The ONOS plan, with an investment of 6,000 crore rupees from 2025 to 2027, seeks to alleviate this burden. Now, 18 million students, faculty members, and researchers from across 6,300 institutions will have unlimited access to the latest research, equipping them with tools they need to push boundaries. But this initiative isn't just a boon for the academic community, it also represents a significant financial breakthrough. The government's collective subscription will cost 1,800 crore annually, as opposed to 4,000 crore rupees if individuals subscribe to these journals separately. The result? A saving of 2,200 crore rupees, which can be reinvested into furthering India's research and development initiatives. India's past efforts in fostering knowledge sharing have laid the groundwork for ONOS. The initiative, like the National Digital Library of India, launched in 2016, have already provided access to millions of digital resources. Similarly, over 1,000 open access journals have been supported, enabling Indian researchers to publish without restrictions. But ONOS goes a step further, uniting all these efforts under one roof, ensuring that no one is left behind. The plan also highlights the government's strategic positioning in a global research landscape increasingly leaning towards open access publishing. With 53% of all scientific papers worldwide now accessible without a paywall, the ONOS initiative is perfectly timed to cater to this growing shift. What does this mean for the future of research in India? It means that from students in Tier 2 and Tier 3 to top-tier universities, every researcher now has a level playing field. It means that students in remote corners of the country will no longer be restricted by the lack of resources. The impact will be profound, as it will empower a generation of researchers to explore, innovate, and contribute to global knowledge. Jai Hind.